It's time to create a custom course on your new Edge 1050 with Course Creator. Course Creator allows you to create routes on the device for quick and easy planning. First, locate the Course Creator on your Edge 1050. Select Navigation. Then select Courses. Select the plus icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Now select Course Creator. Course Creator has many options for starting your course. You can start a course and add course points on your Edge based on your current location. Select a point and select the plus icon to add it. Select Use Map to drop a pin on the map. Select Saved and Recent to view saved locations, segments, or recent finds you have marked before. Select Points of Interest to view preloaded points of interest, like bike shops, convenience stores, restrooms, coffee shops, and more. Select Cities or Search Tools to search for specific addresses, intersections, or coordinates. You can remove a course point by pressing the back button. You can reorder course points by swiping up. Drag the course point you would like to change to its desired position. Select the three dots to see the Course Creator options. The Edge 1050 can turn the route into an out and back course, which follows the same path back to the start. You can also select Loop to Start to create a loop to and from the start point and course point added. Tap the top right corner of the screen to access Map Overlays. You toggle these map overlays on and off as you choose. This lets you see nearby climbs, a heat map or popular roads that other Garmin cyclists are riding, and more. Finally, select Save to save your course. Enter a course name and select the check mark. Select Ride to begin. You are now ready to ride. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.